Hello, welcome back to PingSunday. I hope everything is going well at your side. I am EmRatThich. Tenergy 05 is one of the best rubber in table tennis, but it is rather expensive. 5 cheap alternatives of Tenergy 05. Which rubbers are more similar to Tenergy 05? Butterfly Tenergy 05 is one of the best backhand rubber in table tennis. However, Butterfly Tenergy rubbers are rather expensive. Why is Butterfly Tenergy 05 so expensive? If you are in the market for a new set of rubbers, we recommend that you visit a nearby club to test out the following options. Tenergy 05 isn't the best rubber for everyone, and you may find a different rubber that works better for you. An excellent rubber. The Tenergy 05 is a preferred choice of professional table tennis players. This rubber has risen to the top of the ranking thanks to its ability to spin, and it is a great choice for professional players. As a result of the high cost of a single sheet of Tenergy 05, around $60 to $80, many people are looking for a cheaper alternative.
Five best alternatives to Butterfly Tenergy table tennis rubber. Here is the list of best substitutes for Tenergy 05. In addition to the Butterfly Tenergy 05, rubbers such as Jola RHYZM, Xiom Omega, Stiga DNA Series, and Stiga Calibra LT or Donic Bluefire M1 are also good options. 1. Donic Bluefire M2. Tenergy 05 speed is comparable to or better than Bluefire M2. However, you can feel that it is less responsive to spin than Tenergy, but the control you have over placement is greatly reduced when blocking. Due to its high throw angle, Donic Bluefire M2 is an excellent rubber for looping and is very similar to Tenergy 05. The tensor rubber gives it an excellent catapult effect, but the softer sponge makes it feel a bit slower than Tenergy. From a medium to long distance, looping is rather easy for Bluefire M2. This rubber is sometimes referred to as the very good backhand rubbers that like backhand flicking near the table. It costs around $45 to buy a Donic Bluefire M2. 2. Yasaka Rakza 9. When it comes to speed and spin, Yasaka Rakza 9 is very similar to Butterfly Tenergy. However, it lacks the extremely high throw angle of the former. In terms of feel, the tackiness and sponge hardness are very similar, making it a very close match. Its main advantages over Tenergy are its superior durability and lower cost. Yasaka Rakza 9 has a higher arc on your loops and is an excellent rubber for the backhand. It costs about $45 to purchase Yasaka Rakza 9. 3. Nittaku Fastarc G1. Nittaku has a very good built-in tension power sponge. The sponge is medium hard and much more durable than the Tenergy 05 sponge. Butterfly Tenergy 05's cheaper rival, the Nittaku Fastarc G1, has a lower throw angle. It is more difficult to generate spin because it is less bouncy and has a harder feel. This Fastarc G1, on the other hand, is easier to control incoming spin with and better for flat hitters. For Xiom Vega Pro. This rubber produces high spin due to its grippy feel. Although it's faster than Tenergy 05, Xiom Vega Pro has a lower throw angle, which makes it better for driving, but less effective for looping. In comparison to the more expensive Tenergy 05, Xiom Vega Pro comes in at about 1/3 of the cost. Those looking for a similar level of spin to Tenergy, but willing to sacrifice the extremely high throw angle, should consider this option. 5. Tibhar Evolution MXP. Compared to Tenergy 05, it has a similar rubber type, high-tension sponge, but it also performs exceptionally well. You would be surprised to learn that this alternative has the same amount of energy as the Tenergy 05, which is why so many people are interested in Tibhar Evolution MXP. Attacking rubber Tibhar MXP is a great choice for offensive players. I believe MXP is a better all-around attacking rubber than the others. Compared to T05, MXP has a better short game, including pushes and blocks, as well as flat hits and serve returns. Evolution MXP is also very fast and spinny. Its main weakness, like Tenergy 05, is its durability. After about 4 weeks, there are some cracks in the sponge. Does Tenergy 05 fit everyone? The problem of Tenergy 05 rubber. Tenergy 05 is also a source of consternation for some players. This rubber is extremely bouncy, making it difficult for some players to control the ball until they get used to it. Driving with it can be a bit of a challenge, as it's difficult to keep it in place on the table. The rubber is very sensitive to incoming spin, making serve returns a little more difficult. If you haven't mastered the delicate touch, it can be more difficult to block with this. Other rubbers in the Tenergy series. In the event that you are looking for an alternative to the Tenergy 64, you may want to consider the Tenergy 64. Those looking for something a little more balanced than Tenergy 05 should consider Tenergy 80. Tenergy 05 is very popular among world-class table tennis players. European champion Timo Boll used to use Tenergy 05 on forehand and backhand before switching to Butterfly Dignix 09C. It is possible to look at other Tenergy rubbers if Tenergy 05 does not suit your playstyle. Some players will find it easier if they select an FX model with a softer sponge than the others. The FX version is softer than the normal version. So new players tend to prefer the FX version to the normal Tenergy version. Why is Butterfly Tenergy 05 so popular? But what is it about it that makes it so special? With its springy sponge and high throw angle, it's often referred to as the best rubber for looping. The catapult effect of the tensor-style rubber gives it a lot of speed. However, it isn't the fastest rubber on the market. So, if you're looking for a replacement for Butterfly Tenergy 05, the following features are crucial. Lots of spin. High throw angle. Tensor-style rubber. Medium hard sponge. Very good topspin rubber. Grippy surface. Conclusion. If you're looking for a replacement for Tenergy 05, you'll be pleased with the rubbers listed above. Tibhar Evolution MXP is considered the best alternative for Butterfly Tenergy 05 by many players. MXP and Tenergy 05 share the similarity in the spring sponge and the dynamic of the top sheet.